Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Joe Snow is probably one of the most versatile and innovative products to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of functionality and style that appeals to a wide range of consumers looking for a reliable and aesthetically pleasing solution to their everyday needs, whether it's for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ SHLV01 Shovelution Snow Shovel. Introducing the Snow Joe Shovelution, your ultimate partner for clearing snow. Its innovative design makes winter cleanup easier than ever. This shovel features a heavy-duty blade built to withstand tough jobs and resist wear. You can rely on its long-lasting performance season after season. Experience superior comfort with its D-ring handle grip. It promotes better posture and reduces the need to bend, minimizing strain on your body. The unique spring-assisted handle acts as a fulcrum, improving shoveling mechanics. This significantly reduces stress on your back and arms. Gain added leverage with the lower hand grip. It allows you to lift and move heavier snow more efficiently, requiring less effort. Designed for comfort, durability, and ease of use, this tool simplifies challenging winter tasks. Makes snow removal more effective and less of a chore. What we like. This shovel is built tough with an impact-resistant blade and an ergonomic D-ring handle for maximum comfort. Its spring-assisted design reduces strain on your back and arms. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable manual shovel for regular snow clearing and want to minimize physical exertion, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 10 hours on a single charge. The display is incredibly sharp and vibrant, making videos and photos look stunning. The build quality feels very premium, with a solid metal frame and a smooth glass back. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-size driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow quick and simple. Enjoy the convenience of electric power. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups, making winter cleanup a breeze. Its robust 15-amp motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away. With a 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep clearing path, it efficiently removes snow. The steel auger ensures powerful performance. Designed with compact wheels for effortless maneuverability. It also includes a cord for extended reach with an outdoor extension cord. Don't let darkness stop you. The integrated LED light illuminates your path for safe operation, even in low light conditions. What we like. This electric snow blower boasts a powerful 15-amp motor and a wide 21-inch clearing path, capable of moving up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. Its adjustable chute allows precise snow throwing. If you have a mid-sized driveway or walkway and want a hassle-free electric solution that offers significant power and clearing width, this is the one for you. What people say. This little machine did an amazing job of taking care of business in my 212 wide driveway on an incline. It has saved me a lot of effort in removing snow from my large driveway. It has never let me down, knowing, of course, that wet snow does limit its abilities, but 90+% of the time it gets the job done with minimal effort. Assembly took less than 10 minutes. Good throw for a small unit, easily 10+ feet. Quiet, sounds just like a vacuum. Requires little to no maintenance, unlike a gas blower, and that was huge for us. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This powerful cordless snow shovel kit makes clearing sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze, even in the harshest winter conditions. Its tough auger chews through snow, clearing an 11-inch wide path and throwing it up to 20 feet. You can clear in 7-inch depth with ease. Enjoy up to 370 square feet of clearing per charge with the efficient battery and quick charger. Best of all, there's no need for gas or oil. Weighing just 11.8 pounds and featuring a comfortable dual-handle design, it's easy to maneuver and carry. Say goodbye to strain and hello to portability. The robust 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's the perfect tool for tackling snow in small to medium-sized areas. What we like. This cordless electric shovel offers the ultimate freedom with its 24-volt battery system and lightweight design. It clears an 11-inch path with a 400W motor, making it ideal for quick cleanups. If you need a portable and easy-to-handle solution for clearing snow from decks, patios, and sidewalks without the hassle of cords or gas, this is perfect. What people say. Easily moved 5 inches of snow and under with ease. It was able to do more but sometimes jams with snow. Easy solution. Tackle half the pile then do the bottom. I was able to do walkway, entire driveway and large patio. Long battery. High quality. Snow was dry but heavy when packed down. Cordless for easy moving. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. Once you get used to directing the discharge, the son of a gun is kind of fun to operate. It is almost like sweeping off the walkway. It was easy to put together and I opted to go with the supplied battery. So far, so good. The battery holds a charge for a good 25 minutes before needing a recharge. The shovel works. I used it twice in about 2 inches of snow. We had snow 2 days consecutively, which was great to compare. The second day might have been closer to 3 inches. The shovel is very easy to use, keeps a great charge and is lightweight. Number 2. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the ultimate snow clearing kit designed for your convenience. It includes everything you need to tackle winter's worst, all in one package. Don't let the size fool you. This powerful tool is engineered to move a significant amount of snow efficiently, making your job easier and faster. Experience true freedom with its cordless design. Move around your property with ease, clearing snow from decks, patios, and walkways without any restrictions. It cuts a wide path through the snow, even deep drifts, in a single pass. This means less time spent clearing and more time enjoying your day. Powered by a reliable rechargeable battery, it provides ample runtime for uninterrupted snow clearing. Enjoy quiet, efficient operation without the hassle of gas or cords. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a 13-inch cordless snow shovel, cover, and scraper, powered by a 24V 4.0 Ah battery for up to 22 minutes of runtime. It moves a substantial amount of snow per charge. If you're looking for an all-in-one, hassle-free solution for efficient snow and ice removal on driveways and walkways, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. It was able to cut through the high snow and even through some of the icy snow. It blew the snow very far away and the battery seemed to last quite a while. This little unit did a great job clearing even the deeper snow, and I never had the battery run out while clearing my driveway, which is a 2-car width and about 2 car lengths. Number 1. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Experience the robust power of its 1200W brushless motor. This machine effortlessly tackles heavy snowfalls, making light work of even the toughest conditions. With an 18-inch clearing width and 10-inch depth capacity, it cuts through deep snow with ease. Quickly clear your driveway and sidewalks in fewer, more efficient passes. Enjoy gas-free and cord-free operation thanks to its rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. This offers maximum mobility and effortless use without emissions. The adjustable 180-degree chute control allows you to precisely direct snow discharge up to 20 feet away. Keep your surroundings clear and prevent unwanted snow buildup. Equipped with a bright 2W LED headlight, it illuminates your path for safe snow removal even after dark. You can continue working, no matter when the snow falls. What we like. Experience robust power with its 48V system and a wide 18-inch clearing path, capable of tackling heavy snowfalls. The integrated LED headlight ensures visibility for nighttime clearing. If you have a larger driveway or frequently deal with heavy snow and want a powerful, cordless snow blower with enhanced features for safety and efficiency, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The SJ has a steel, rubber-tipped auger assembly while the GW uses plastic poly. In theory, the steel auger of the SJ should have a somewhat greater ability to crush up wetter, icier snow. The SJ is 48V, 2x24V, while the GW is 40V. The SJ motor is listed at 1.20 kW while the GW motor is listed at 1.08 kW. It's more powerful than I expected. With 6 of relatively heavy snow, it was able to clear snow on the driveway in one pass. It threw the snow a good 15 feet without difficulty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.